snitch come out already?
Yeah.
Did snitch come out?
Yeah, it was John. He got caught already. Oh wait, there it is. Oops.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Cat 5 plus snitch. If that's relevant.
Are y'all playing on this field next?
It's like 17.
Yeah, Daniel's already been caught.
If you're open, I'm gonna pass you. You should know better. Like, it's not like I'm gonna go wide open. I'm not gonna pass you. Andrew, right here. Whoa! Ready. 18.
Mike, we got Randy back here.
Watch speed behind.
Nope, that's worse.
Mike, if they don't have a ball, they'll throw it at him. Yeah.
That was a nice catch. Just went right to her. Hello, people that are watching this. I apologize for my voice, but here we are.
Rachel, stay. Do not fall back. We're recording every single feature for the most part. Stay there. No one else. Go in. Jason, go in. Don't let him get it close. Yeah.
Oh, that was nice. Right where she needed to be.
Rachel, when they come in like that, push them out. When you back up, they take that space.
Oh. Something's happening. Oh. Oh.
Hold on, hold. We only have one blunder. I thought we were. Guys, don't be Ben.
There we go. Oh, there it is. Running. Come on. Oh, passing way back. There we go. Illegal reset, probably. Nobody's ever receive it. I think. Let's find out. Yeah, that would in fact be correct. Illegal reset, nobody there receive it, so it's turnover. I'm gonna pretend that I know what I'm talking about here. Huh? Oh, he's moving. Oh! Yikes. Right on the boundary. Oh! Nice. Oh! That came out of nowhere. Very nice. Okay, I think we're close enough to going. Hi, Mark! I thought we were starting, maybe. Oh well, there's just gonna be like an awkward extra minute of me just standing here, kind of looking at the field. We're getting there, slowly but surely. In case anybody cares, there was no injury, everybody's just winded. They're still playing. We have an extra ref on the field. Ah, there we go. Now we're moving. Where's the ball? Yeah, there really is a lot of purple in this field. There we go. Ooh. Oof. Oh, there it is.
Sub now.
Nope. Okay. Where are they going? Where are we going? Ooh. Somebody's down. Oh, wait. Ah, there's the ball. Something's happening over there. Oh. There we go. Are we all okay? Okay, we're all okay. Nice. That was solid. The ball's right there.
One more goal, guys. One more goal.
Okay, so it sounds like the set score is 190. I think so. The Dragons only need one more because it is currently 180 to 140. There's the ball. I was looking at the score. Sorry, I got a little lost. Ooh. And they're using the meat shield tactic. Oof. Let's pause. Oh, there we go. I'm not sure what the call was there. Something happened. But we resumed, so that's the important part. And Mark is in the way. There we go. Thank you, Mark. There we go. Do so believe that that is game. And there you have it. Dragons 190, Cat 5 140.